Hey, what's up guys, it's me Anshul back with another video, and today we will talk about the leaks and rumors about the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, this is the next flagship foldable smartphone from Samsung that is expected to launch later this year, somewhere near the end of July 2023. The Galaxy Z Fold series has been one of the most innovative and exciting smartphone series lineup in the recent years, and the Z Fold 5 is rumored to bring some major improvements and new features. So let's get into it. The Fold 5 is not the only fold device we will be seeing this year, as we had a couple of other ones from the brands like Xiaomi making the sleekest foldable smartphone, and we also saw something from Oppo, that was the Oppo Find N. And do not forget about the Google Pixel Fold, which is a major flagship series foldable device that we have seen in this year. And also we cannot skip over this last one because we have the least expensive Techno Phantom V5 as well. Every fold we see has something unique to it, and the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 will be no slouch. It is the 5th generation of their foldable smartphone, which means that the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 will be a fold perfect smartphone, and it will have some major improved features in terms of software with less annoying bugs and issue to see from the Samsung foldable device. Well, without wasting any time, let's get into what we have with the leaks and rumors about the Z Fold 5. Let us talk about the design on this smartphone first. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will most likely be the same smartphone as the previous year, with the same booklet-like design as the previous model. It will have a 6.2 inches outer screen and the 7.6 inches inner display that unfolds like a book. However, according to a few leaks and rumors, the Z Fold 5 will be a bit more slimmer in comparison to the Z Fold 4, and also it will be a lighter smartphone. The thickness will be 0.52 inches, that is down from 0.62 inches on the Z4, and the weight will be 271 grams, that is down from 282 grams on the Z Fold 4. The phone will also have a more durable hinge mechanism with a droplet style hinge mechanism to reduce the gap when the smartphone is folded and hide the display crease when it is unfolded. So crease was one of the most crucial thing that was on the Z Fold 4, and a lot of smartphone manufacturing companies are removing those creases or making it a bit more less visible with their own design and technology. And I think the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 will be one of those smartphones that will have the least crease in the coming 2023 year. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will look almost identical as its predecessor Fold 4, and at first glance you might not be able to tell the two phones apart. However, upon closer inspection you can notice that from these images that the LED flash is placed inside the camera island on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and over the Z Fold 5 it is located on the top right of the corner. The Z Fold 5 will also come in different color options such as black, white, green and pink. It will also have a side mounted fingerprint scanner. It will have stereo speakers, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, IP68X water resistance and much more. The display on the Z Fold 5 will also have more refined display technology, with both screens supporting up to 120Hz of refresh rate and HDR10 Plus as well. The inner screen will also have an under display camera, which means that there will be no notch or hole punch cutout for the selfie camera. This will give you a more immersive and uninterrupted viewing experience when using the foldable screen. Now moving on to the next thing is the cameras on the Z Fold 5, and there is one thing to notice. Samsung does not do a lot when it comes to the camera technology on the Z Fold series, and one reason could be that there is not enough space to hold a big camera sensors on these smartphones. But hey, let us see what do we have with the Z Fold 5 over here. Now this phone will come with a triple camera setup with a pill shaped cutout for the camera module, just like the Z Fold 4. The cameras will include a 50 megapixel main lens just like the Z Fold 4 as well, a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and a 16 megapixel ultra wide lens. The outer screen will have a 10 megapixel selfie camera. Now this configuration is exactly the same that we saw with the Z Fold 4, but it could be that Samsung comes with a new 50 megapixel main sensor or a better ultra wide sensor to use with the Z Fold 5 to diminish, or I would say to fix all the issues in the terms of camera that we have with the Z Fold 4. Now the Z Fold 5 would come with some advanced camera features just like the magic eraser, the photo unblur tool, the cinematic mode, 8K video recording, video blur, and so on. A lot of these features are directly taken from the Google Pixel phones with Samsung's take on it. Talking about the specifications on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the smartphone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset that is made for Galaxy, which means that this will be a more powerful processor than the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset that we see in the market right now, which means that it will have better performance, better efficiency, and connectivity than its predecessors and all the other Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipsets that we have in the market. The phone will also have 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage. It will run on Android 13 with One UI 5.1 on the top, which will bring some new features and enhancement for the foldable device. Now the battery capacity of the Z Fold 5 is rumored to be 4400 mAh. That is exactly the same as the Z Fold 4, but we also have some other rumors that suggest it will be 5000 mAh, which makes a whole lot more sense to me. The phone will also support fast charging up to 45-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging over here. Now just like the Fold 4, the Fold 5 will continue to add some more features like the better S Pen support to write, draw, or navigate on the foldable screen, a flex mode which will allow you to see the phone in different orientations and angles depending on how you fold it, the multi-active window which will allow you to run up to 3 applications simultaneously on the foldable screen, and also you can drag and drop content between apps or adjust the size of each window according to the preferences. Well, these are all the software features, and with the release of the Pixel Fold, Samsung will be able to take more advantage of clean Android experience and invent even some cooler features for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So well, that's everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, the next flagship foldable smartphone from Samsung itself. It looks like it will be a major upgrade over the Z Fold 4 with a slimmer and lighter design, a more refined display technology, a more powerful processor, and S Pen support, and also a better camera system. Of course, all these features are based on rumors and leaks, so take them with a grain of salt until we have some official confirmation by Samsung itself. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to launch sometime in August or even in July of this year, with a price tag up to around $1799 USD for the base model. It will likely to face some major competition from other foldable smartphones like the Google Pixel Fold and Huawei Mate X3. But for now, it seems like the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 will be the best foldable smartphone of the year 2023. If you agree with me, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to hit a like button on this video. So that was me, Anshul, talking about the leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.